Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Amazon Sidewalk for smart device connectivity, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Amazon Sidewalk for smart device connectivity, first, ensure you have an Amazon account. If you don't have one, visit the Amazon website and create a new account. Next, open the Alexa app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Once you've opened the app, sign in with your Amazon account credentials. Tap on the devices icon located at the bottom of the screen. In the Devices menu, select Echo and Alexa to see your Echo devices. Choose the specific Echo device you want to enable Amazon Sidewalk on. Scroll down until you find the Amazon Sidewalk option. If the Amazon Sidewalk option is not visible, ensure your device is up to date. To enable Sidewalk, toggle the switch to the on position. You will see a prompt explaining what Amazon Sidewalk is and its benefits. Read through the information carefully to understand how it works. After reading, confirm your choice to enable the feature. Once enabled, your device will connect to the Amazon Sidewalk network. This network allows your smart devices to communicate with each other over longer distances. You can manage your Sidewalk settings anytime in the Alexa app under your device settings. To disable Sidewalk, simply return to the same settings and toggle the switch to off. Make sure you save any changes if prompted. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Amazon Sidewalk. Now your smart devices can enjoy increased connectivity and features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.